Very good morning, students. Welcome back to the class Some Natural Phenomenon. In the last class, we have discussed about lightning and even types of charges. We shall see now the other topic, transfer of charge. Here they have given one activity. We shall see that. Take an empty jam bottle and place a piece of cardboard slightly bigger in size than the mouth of a bottle. Pierce a hole in it so that whatever the metal paper clip can be inserted. Open out the paper clip. Then cut two strips of aluminium foil of about 4 cm into 1 cm each. Hang them on the paper clip. Insert the paper clip in the cardboard lid so that it is perpendicular to it. Charge a refill and touch it with the end of a paper clip. Here, what happens? The aluminium foil strips receive the same charge from the charged refill through the paper clip. The strips carrying similar charges repel each other and they become wide open. Such a transfer can be used to test whether an object is carrying charge or not. This device is known as which one? That is electroscope. Thus, we find that electrical charge can be transferred from a charged object to another through a metal conductor. Touch the end of a paper clip gently with hand and you will feel a change in a foil strips. They become black to their original states. Repeat charging of foil strips and touching the paper clip. Every time you'll find that foil strips collapse as soon as you touch the paper clip with hand. Why does it happen? The reason is that foil strips lose charge to the earth through your body. We say that foil strips are discharged. By the time when we touch what happened through our body, through to the earth, what happened? The charges which were present in that foil, what happened? They are going to lose. The process of transferring of charge from a charged object to the earth is called as which one? That is earthing, which is very important. That is why in every home what happened, you can see that is earthing has been done. Earthing is provided in buildings to protect us from electrical shocks due to any leakage of electric current. So here earthing is nothing but the process of transferring of charge from a charged object to the earth. Here we are having that is the story of lightning. It is now possible to explain lightning in terms of the charges produced by rubbing. But in earlier classes, that during the development of a thunderstorm, the air currents move upwards while the water droplets move downwards. These vigorous movements cause separation of charges by a process not yet completely understood. The positive charges collect near the upper edge of the clouds and the negative charges accumulate near the lower edges. There is accumulation of positive charges near the ground also. When the magnitude of the accumulated charges become very large, the air which is normally a poor conductor of electricity is no longer able to resist their flow. Negative and positive charges meet, producing streaks of bright light and sound. We see streaks as lightning and the process is called as nothing but electric discharge. The process of electric discharge can occur between two or more clouds or between the clouds and the earth. Today, we need to get frightened by lightning like our ancestors did. Now we understand the basic phenomenon. Scientists are trying hard to improve this understanding. However, lightning strike could destroy life and property. Is it therefore necessary to take measures to protect ourselves? Lightning safety. During lightning and thunderstorm, no open place is safe. I hear thunder is an alert to rush to a safer place. I, after hearing the last thunder, wait for some time before coming out of the safe place. A house or a building is safe for a place. If you are traveling by a car or by bus, you are safe inside with windows and doors of the vehicle which is shut. Do's and don'ts during a thunderstorm. So, what has to be done and what has to be not done? Outside, if you are in outside, open vehicles like motorbikes, tractors, construction machinery, open cars are not safe for the during the thunderstorm. Open fields, tall trees, shelters in parks, elevated places do not protect us from the lightning strokes because they will directly cause us a lightning to the places where we are living standing. Carrying an umbrella is not at all a good idea during the thunderstorm. In a forest, take shelter under the shorter tree. If no shelter is available and you are in an open field, stay far away from all trees. Stay away from the poles or other metal objects. Do not lie on the ground. As here, if you are having any metal objects, what happens since they are also metal, they will easily carry the charges. Hence, we should not stand near or below any of the metal objects. Instead, squat low on the ground. Place your hand on your knees with your head between the hands. This position will make you the smallest target to be struck. So, whatever may be the lightning which takes place, thereby it attracts us, or the lightning takes place to the taller trees or to the tallest buildings. But if there is any shorter plants or any shorter areas are there, thereby what happens? The lightning cannot be touched for any of them. The lightning can strike telephone cords, electrical wires, and metal pipes. That is why what happened during the lightning or thunderstorm, they will be informing not to talk in the phones. During a thunderstorm, contact with these should be avoided. It is safer to use mobile phones and cordless phones. However, it is not wise to call up a person who is receiving your phone through a wired one. So, here we must be careful if you are calling in a mobile phone. We must see that the other person who is talking there also they are using a cordless or a mobile phone, not they shouldn't use any of the wire because it may carry the charges. Bathing should be avoided during the thunderstorm to avoid contact with running water. Electrical appliances like computers, TVs, etc. should be unplugged. Electrical lights can remain on, they do not cause any harm.